I'm going to show you how to get fingerprint access by Arduino. I am using for this project the fingerprint module R305 fingerprint module, and it has 4 wire, which is blue, yellow, black and red. The red one is VCC, the black one is ground, and the yellow one is TX and blue one is RX. So the red one I will connect to Arduino board plus 5 volt, and the black one I will connect to Arduino board ground, and the yellow, which is TX, I will connect to digital pin number 2 of the Arduino board, and the blue one, which is RX, I will connect to digital pin number 3. So now I will connect to LED with Arduino. So this is the common ground point. So ground I will connect to Arduino ground, and the positive of red LED I will connect to digital pin number 5 of the Arduino board. And the positive leg of the green LED I will connect to pin number 3 of the Arduino board. So that was the hardware implementation. Now I will upload the code. Let's see. So this is the code for store your finger in the Arduino. So first I will select the port. Now I will upload the code here. The code has been uploaded. Now you have to click serial monitor to place your finger. So for save your finger, you have to type a number. Here you can type number from 1 to 127. So I will place one finger. You have to first write number, then hash and enter. Now you have to place your finger in the fingerprint module. The fingerprint has taken your image. Now you have to again place the finger, same finger. Here you can see print masked. Now your finger is set to this Arduino. So now I will upload another code for access the LED. Let's start. So now I will upload. It's compiling sketch. It's uploading. Upload it. Okay. So I will place my finger. You can see the found ID #9 with confidence. So the finger is found, and I will place another finger which is not registered in fingerprint module. I already placed my finger, but there is no match. So that was my fingerprint access with Arduino. I hope you all enjoyed it. Thank you so much.